So now we discussed that there are two types of universal gates, NAND and NOR. So one by one we will discuss that how they can be used to derive the all of the basic logic gates. Say for example, if we are having one input A and suppose this is NAND gate and we are connecting these two inputs to form only one. This bifraction is taking place over here. So this, say for example, by output, so we can say that y is equal to a into a complement, and we know that a into a is equal to a because a into a is equal to a, and this is complement. So what is the input? Input is a, and what is the output? Output is a complement. It means this particular arrangement, this is behaving like a NOT gate. So this is as an NOT gate. So see, if A is the input and this is the inverter, the output is always a complement, and same thing is being done over here. So we can say that this is as an NOT gate. Now see the second combination. Say for example this is A, and say for example this is these two inputs. We are getting A into B complement. Again we are passing through it one NAND gate. We are dividing one input to two inputs, and say for example this is Y output. So Y comes out to be, say for example, consider this as one input, A dot B complement, consider it as A. So this is A into A complete complement, means A B bar dot A B bar complete complement, means A into A dot A complete complement. Again A dot A is equal to A, so A B complements and whole complement, this comes out to be A B, because complement is no complement actually. So here input was A B and the output is A dot B. So we can say that now it is behaving like an AND gate. So this arrangement is an AND gate. Now consider the third scenario. This is A input dividing into two inputs. This is one AND gate. We will get here obviously A complement according to this. Now consider this as a second input B. Again this is a NAND gate. Now the output is here B naught. Now again consider one NAND gate. Now it is having two inputs. This is, say for example, Y. Now if we solve it, Y is equal to, because this is NAND and an inverter, so A dot into B dot complete bar. This can be written as according to De Morgan's theorem, A complements complement plus B complements complement. This is according to De Morgan's theorem. We actually applied here De Morgan's theorem. What does it say actually? The product of two number is the sum of their complements. So this comes out to be A, because A complements complement is no complement. So the B, Y is equal to A plus B. So it means input was A and B, and the output is A plus B. So we can say that now this is behaving like a OR gate. So this is the reason why NAND is known as a universal gate. You can check, it can act as a NOT, it can act as AND, it can also act as a OR gate. So it can derive all the basic logic gates through it. Now consider the NOR as universal gate. Same, for example, this is A, this is OR gate, suppose this is output Y. I can write it at Y is equal to A plus A complement, and this is A complement, because we know that A plus A is equal to A. NOR as universal gate, getting one input A, making it 2, branching it. This is Y output. So Y is equal to A plus A complement. A plus A is equal to A. So this is A complement. So we can say that now it is behaving like a NOT gate. So as a NOT gate. Now consider the next scenario. Second same arrangement we will take. A, now B, OR gate, now NOR. Input, what will we get? A plus B complement. Dividing this input into 2 and joining again with the NOR gate, and say for example this is Y output. So Y comes out to be, consider it as one entity, say for example A. So result will be A plus A complement, but here A is equal to A plus B. One thing, again plus A plus B complements, complete complement. So this is again A plus A is equal to A. So we can write it as A plus B complete var, again var. So there is no var. It means this is A plus B. So this will behave like as a what gate? OR basic gate. Now third one, same arrangement. A, OR gate, we will get here A complement, B, again OR gate, B complement, again NOR gate. Output is Y. We will write Y is equal to A bar plus B bar complete bar. This comes out to be A bar bar plus dot B bar bar, again according to De Morgan's theorem. But here the De Morgan's theorem is that sum of the complements is equal to product of their complements. So this comes out to be A dot B. This is De Morgan's theorem. What is De Morgan's theorem? That the complements of the sum is equal to product of their complements. And here it was the complements of the products is equal to sum of their complements. So now we can say that it is now behaving like as a Which gate? AND gate. So the NOR gate is C, behaving like all the basic gates, like NOT, OR, AND. Same way NAND is also behaving like NOT, and OR. So this is the way how the universal gates can behave like all the basic logic gates. Thank you very much.